Managing different types of customer registrations, like B2b, wholesale, or VIP clients, can be challenging with a single default form. Businesses often need custom fields to collect specific information, manually approve new customers, and ensure only the right customers gain access. Introducing B2b Registration Forms Builder app, with which you can create multiple customized registration forms for different customer types. Add custom fields with different field types. Auto-assign customer tags and set up registration approval workflows with email notifications. Let's see how this app works. Click on the apps and go to the Registration Forms Builder. Here you can view complete details of all requested customers' registration, including their names and emails. Status of the customers is also displayed, indicating whether they are approved or awaiting approval. Click on the General Settings button on top right to open the General Settings panel. Activate the app. Enable the Forms drop-down button to show custom registration forms you created in a header drop-down. Enter the header drop-down label. For a registration form to show, you need to create a page. Go to the Sales channel, click on the Pages, add a new page, name a page, and put this code in the Content section of the page. Copy the URL of the page and paste it here. Registration page URL is the address where registration form is located. You also have the option to disable the default registration form by marking the checkbox. Save the settings and click on the Show Forms. Here you can see all the custom registration forms created by admin. To add new form, click on the Add Form button. Enter the name of the form, for example, B2b Registration Form. In General Settings, activate the status of the new form and enter the admin email for the new registrations on this form. Enable the customers to see Date on My Account page. Auto-assign customer tags on registration by selecting the already created tags or enter the new custom tag. Copy and paste the given code to display the form anywhere on the store and save the settings. Click on the default fields. Here you can view all the default registration fields. You can edit and add the default fields to your new registration form with required conditions. If you do not want to show any default field, just disable the specific field. Now click on the Custom Fields. Here you can add new custom fields for your registration form by clicking on the Add field. You can add any custom field with the help of the 15 field types specific to your registration form. For example, for the B2B customers, you will need to have the store name, store type, or industry field. Just enter the field label Store Name. Select the field type, Text. Enter the position of the field in a form. Enter the placeholder and description for the field, which is optional. You can split the fields into two by enabling the half width. Make the field required and read only. Select the option to make the fields dependent on another field. Select the dependent field and the option. Click on the Save Settings and move on to the Email settings. Here you have the email template to send to the customers and admin on the pending and approval of the registration forms. Click Edit to set your own custom email content. Now your form is completed with the default and custom fields. Move back to the Show Form section. Here you can edit any form by clicking on the Edit button. Now let's move to the front end. You can see the registration form you have created in a drop-down. If you have disabled the default registration form, customers will not be able to register here. To register, customers would have to select the registration form from the drop-down and select any form according to their requirements. Here you can see the positions and types of the default and custom fields you have created. Once customers select the form and register themselves, their registration request will show on the Requested Customer section, where you can approve the customer registrations manually. Upon approving the customers, you and customers both will receive the email notification about registration. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching.